Alright, so if you can remember, I did a short video or a post. I have to check on my channel like 7 months ago installing these grill lights because I changed my DRLs to a second set of high beams. So under 1 year, this is the state of the DRLs or the grill lights. You can see some of the LED bulbs have burned out. So let me give a close-up look. So this one has like 5 dead bulbs. This one has 4 dead bulbs. Let's see, this one has 3 dead bulbs. This one has, I think, 2 or 3. Yeah. So this is the state of my grill lights after 7 months. So not even a 1 year. That's the state of my grill lights. So let me know what should I do. Give up the second set of high beams and put the DRL back in the reflector light location, because on this Forerunners the high beam are inside the projector housing. They are by LEDs, so I should remove this second high beam set and put back the DRL back. Let me know what should I do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.